Alrighty, I got an update to the Route 80. Alrighty, I got an update here at the Route 84 grade crossing on the UP Geneva Sub near Fulton, Illinois. As you can see, my prediction about wayside signals was correct. We got a set of brand new ones here going in. I imagine UP wanted this done because UP trains going west into Clinton typically sit about right here. And then just west of here is the Mississippi River Bridge. So they often sit here and wait for a signal across the river. And now these signals will provide visual confirmation for the crew that they have a signal across the river. Because if you can see, the old ones are way back there. So those don't really do any good for the crew trying to get across the river here. Now the spacing on these is going to be a little more wonky now, but as far as like trains holding out here, it'll be much easier for westbound trains to get through here. As you can see too, the new bungalow is in and active. This is the first metallic sided PTW bungalow that UP's installed on the Geneva Sub. And they did not replace the signals here, as you can see. The bases are all graveled over now. So it looks like they have connected the new bungalow to the existing signals. So these signals will be staying. The old one is still in and the light is still on. So I'm not sure if this is still controlling the crossing too or not. I'm not entirely sure. But regardless, I'm sure this bungalow will be removed here in the coming months. The wayside signals are obviously still not active yet. And there's no PTC anything with the new bungalow yet. So I imagine it's going to be a while until they get that active. I believe they're replacing all the other wayside signals through Clinton. A lot of those still date back to the CW days. And so UP will get those replaced and then activate these ones around the same time, more than likely. And then, yeah. Other than that, there's been no other changes here. Again, the old signals are still going, and I don't believe they're going to be installing any new signals here by the looks of things. So until they get the new wayside signals active, this is how it'll stay. So anyways, this has been the update to Route 84.